Reaching new heights cleaning tall buildings with confidence. At RedClean, we pride ourselves on offering comprehensive and efficient cleaning solutions for commercial properties of all sizes. We have the expertise and equipment to tackle the challenge head-on regarding tall buildings. Our advanced Waterfed pole system allows us to clean facilities up to 70 metres in height and in some cases even higher depending on the site-specific conditions. In this blog, we'll explore the capabilities of our Waterfed pole system, its advantages for cleaning tall buildings, and how we ensure top-notch results for our valued clients. The power of our Waterfed pole system. RedClean's Waterfed pole system is a cutting-edge cleaning technology that revolutionises how we clean tall buildings. This system allows us to access heights that were once considered challenging without compromising quality or safety. The system's telescopic poles, equipped with soft brushes and purified water, allow us to reach heights of up to 70 metres, covering most mid-rise and high-rise commercial buildings. Versatility in cleaning tall buildings. Whether it's a sleek office tower, a stately home, or a multi-storey shopping complex, RedClean can confidently clean buildings of varying heights. Our Waterfed pole system is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for exterior surfaces, including glass windows, cladding, and facades. We ensure a thorough and spotless clean from top to bottom, enhancing your property's curb appeal and overall appearance. Safety comes first. Safety is paramount in our operations, especially when dealing with tall buildings. Our fully trained and experienced staff adhere to strict safety protocols, ensuring a secure working environment for our team members and your property. We conduct thorough risk assessments for each project, identifying potential hazards and implementing appropriate safety measures. Expertise and experience. With years of experience in the industry, our staff possesses the knowledge and skills needed to handle tall building cleaning confidently. We stay up to date with the latest industry practices and technology, guaranteeing that our clients receive the highest standard of service. Our commitment to continuous improvement ensures we stay ahead, providing effective and efficient solutions for every project. Using MUPs for hire work. For buildings that exceed the reach of our Waterfed pole system, we utilise mobile elevated work platforms to access higher areas safely. These specialised machines allow us to clean buildings that might otherwise be challenging to reach. Our trained operators handle mobile elevated work platforms with precision and care, ensuring that even the most elevated sections of your property receive the same level of detail cleaning. All our operators hold the correct IPAF licenses for each task at hand. Positive customer feedback. At RedClean, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We take pride on our highly rated reviews on Google, which reflect the consistent quality of our services. Many of our clients have shared their positive experiences, highlighting our professionalism, attention to detail, and ability to handle tall building cleaning effectively. Conclusion. RedClean's Waterfed pole system and experienced staff allow us to clean tall buildings of up to 70 metres confidently, and sometimes even higher depending on the site's conditions. Our commitment to safety, expertise and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the industry. When you choose RedClean, you can trust that your tall building will receive the best care and attention to detail, with every service cleaned swiftly and efficiently. Experience the RedClean difference and elevate your property's appearance to new heights. Contact us today to discuss your tall building's cleaning needs and let us be your reliable partner in maintaining a spotless and impressive exterior.